Let's look at creating a custom Google search engine. Here I am at www.google.com/CSE, and I could have gotten here by simply going to my Google search engine and having typed in custom Google search engine, and it would have brought me to here. I'm going to click create a custom search engine, and Google will ask me to type in some information. I'm going to name my search engine. We'll call it Gaudette Sample Search Engine, and the kinds of things I'm looking for, of course, will be samples, I guess. Sites to search. Now, this is where you can restrict the sites that the search engine will look at when you type in search words. Here I'll put in MSAD60 just as a sample of a domain that we might like to search. We can search through all of MSAD60, and I can also put in, if I would like to, a website. I'll just grab my website here, my personal website, at random. I'll copy that, and let's come back. Here we are. And I'll paste that in. I'm going to put an asterisk at the end of this because that's going to tell the search engine to look deep within the website at every page below the home page when I search for items. I make sure that I have read and agreed to the terms of service, which I have carefully read and agreed to, and next. Once here, I can pick out a layout. We'll just pick out espresso because, well, doesn't everybody love espresso? And next. Now here we are at the last page. It says get the code. Well, I'm going to ignore this code for now because we're going to a Google site, and it's a little easier to put this page into a Google site if we go to the control panel. In the control panel, well, the simplest way to get there is simply click on one of these hyperlinks. I'm going to go back to change the basics. Here we can see my Google sample engine. That's our Gaudette sample engine. That's just what I made. Let's open it up, and here is a URL that I'm going to copy. Okay, and while I'm here, I think I will go to a website that I've got up here. That's not it. Let's see. Here it is, right here. Okay. To put that URL into the website, I'm going to go to More, and I'm going to manage my site. Once here, I'm going to go to Site Layout. And in Site Layout, you'll see that there are places where I can play with the search that's already in the site layout. So I'll configure that search, and I'm going to click on Advanced. Here, I'm going to add a provider, and instead of searching multiple sites, I'm going to use the Google custom search. It's going to ask me to type in a name for this search. Let's just do this. And the URL is the one that I copied earlier, so we'll simply paste that in and say OK. And OK, we'll OK ourselves right out of there. We'll save this, and off we go back to the website once it's saved, and we should see that search engine pop up right here. And if I look at the drop down, I can use my search if I'd like to, and if I type in the word science, I will find that the search results show any reference to science that might be found in MSAD60 or even on that home site that they see that I placed in there. So that is how to set up your Google custom search engine.